Hello and welcome back to my channel where my goal was to help you win with your money and challenge some negative mindsets. Then we'll be going over some red flags you need to be aware of that you may actually be getting scammed by credit repair agencies. One of the first red flags you need to be aware of is that if they're having pressured sales pitch that says it has to be done today or having a lot of fees you have to pay up front, that's a big red flag that you're actually getting scammed. A second red flag is they're saying that they can repair your credit within a week, or they're taking something off your report that's actually yours, and they're trying to say they're going to take it off, or they're going to increase your credit score by 100 points within 2 weeks. Those are signs of scam. Another thing that's a sign of a scam is that they're not able to explain to you your rights as a consumer under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Those are some things that is a sign of a scam. And then another big red flag that they're actually being scammed, they're discouraging you from contacting Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. That's a big red flag that you're actually getting scammed. Hopefully this has armed you to not get scammed by any credit repair agencies. And if you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you'd like for me to work with you to repair your credit, get in a better place, my contact information is down below. And as always, my goal is to help you win with your money and challenge some negative mindsets. Until next time, have an awesome day, everyone.